Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change the color of your eye in Snapseed, and here's how it is done. First, we are going to open Snapseed on our devices and import the photo. I will import this beautiful photo that I downloaded from Pexels. I will put the download link for that also in the description. The first step is to open the tools and apply a black and white filter to our photo. Let it be neutral. After that, click on this button and find the View Edits option. Click on black and white and find the brush tool. Now, we need to brush the part that we want to change the color of. In this case, the brown part. Next, go to the tool section and click on the Tune Image option. Now we are going to adjust the color of the eye. Select the warm option and swipe from the right to left to get a blue color. After that, repeat the process. Click on the button. Find the View Edits option. Click on Tune Image and find the brush. The last step is to brush over the eye carefully so it looks professional. Once we finish with the brushing, we can save the photo to the gallery. And that's everything you need to know about how to change the color of your eye in Snapseed. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.